Hello everybody. Today I will discuss K-map or you can say Karnaugh map. Okay, this is a graphical method through which we minimize any boolean function so that less hardware is required, speed becomes more. Now what is the advantage of Karnaugh map? Why we use Karnaugh map? Actually what happens when number of variable increases from 3, then to minimize that function by using boolean laws and theorem, it becomes very complex. In that case we use Karnaugh map. Okay, in Karnaugh map total cells equal to 2 to the power n, where n is number of variables. If there is 2 variable K map, total square will be 4, or you can say total cells 3 variable K map, there will be 8 square, 4 variable K map, there will be 16 squares. Okay, now adjacent cell. Okay, what is the significance of adjacent cell? This is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this, and this is adjacent to this, but these two are not adjacent, as well as these two are not adjacent. How will you define adjacent cell? In case of adjacent cell or adjacent square, only one variable changes at a time. Okay, suppose this is 0 0 and this is 0 1. In this case only one variable is changing, means in K-map we use gray code. In gray code only one variable changes at a time. Okay, so this is about adjacent cell. We make grouping of adjacent cells or adjacent squares only. Suppose you have to form one quad or octet or pair, there must be 4 adjacent cell for quad, 8 adjacent cell for octet, and 2 adjacent cell for square. Okay, how it works? Suppose xy plus xy dash, then take common y, x y plus y dash, so x. In so how it is working? You have eliminated one literal, or you can say one variable, y plus y dash equal to 1. So in this way you can minimize any boolean function. Now 2 variable K map. Okay, in 2 variable K map there are 4 possible values: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. And for minterm what will be value? m0, 0 0 means x bar y bar, 0 1 x bar y, x y bar, and x y. Okay, this is your cells m0, this is m0, m1, m2, and m3. This value 0 0, 0 1, 1, this cell 1 0, and this cell 1 1. These are the values. Now you can make squares either horizontally or vertically, but you cannot make diagonally, because these two are not adjacent cell. Means in these two cells two variable are changing. The rule is only one variable should change from going one cell to next cell. Okay, suppose this is your example. Suppose there is one minterm. In K-map, if there is minterm, you will write down 1. If there is maxterm, you will write down 0. So there is only one minterm, so this is the answer. In this way 1 means xy, so this will be the required answer, xy. Suppose there are 3 minterms, 1 2 and 3. Now you can make one pair here because these two are adjacent cell, and one pair here. There are one more pair. Now before going to this, I want to dictate. There are three terms: prime implicants, implicants and essential prime implicant. Okay, because these three are very important. Implicants, what is implicant? Implicant is nothing in output. Okay, if f equal to 1, that is prime. This is your prime implicant, this is your prime implicant, this is your prime implicant, this is your prime implicant. Okay, minterm is corresponding to implicant, sorry, not prime implicant, implicant. Next, prime implicant. Prime implicant is nothing, it is group of minterms. Okay, for example, this is one group, this is one prime implicant, 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 and this is one prime. Total prime implicants are 5, 4 pair and 1 quad. Now most important, essential prime implicant. Okay, suppose this is example. First you will make one pair, one pair, one pair, one pair, and again one quad is forming. Okay, this quad is forming. Now how will you define whether which prime implicant is essential prime implicant or not? In essential prime implicant, there must be at least one minterm which is not involved in any other group. Okay, this is essential prime implicant EPI because this one is not included in any other group. Similarly, in this case, this is EPI because this one is unique. In this is unique. In this one is unique. But this quad is not EPI because all 4 minterms are already included or involved in 4 pairs. So this is not EPI. So what is the answer? Sum of all EPIs is final minimized expression. Okay, this is not essential. So there are 8 implicants, 5 prime implicant and 4 essential prime implicant. Okay, so this is very important. This which is not essential, that is also called redundant group. Okay, you have to avoid this type of grouping. Now come back to again 2 variable K-map. Okay, suppose this is your example. You can form 2 pair. Okay, one pair and one pair, and these two are EPI because this one is unique and this one is unique. Okay, so you do not need to see here, just you can directly determine the value. This, in this case, this value, this is, in this case, about this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. This 0 means 1 means x. Okay, this is changing, this means y, x plus y. You can directly determine. Now 3 variable came up. 3 variable came up, there will be 8 cells, M0 to M7, and you have to remember one important thing: third row and third column is highest one always. In case of 4 variable came up or 5 variable came, in this third column is highest one, 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Why not 1 0 here then 1 1? Because from going one cell to next cell, only one variable should change, so it is using gray code. 0, then 1, then 3, then 2. Okay, that's why we are writing 1 1 here and 1 0 here. Now only one variable is changing. In this 0 0 0, only one variable is changing. 0 1 2 1, only one variable is changing. 1 1 2 1 0, only one variable is changing. Okay, Now suppose this is again your example, this is your truth table and there are 4 min terms. Just write down value. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So again in this case, first try to make one pair here, okay, and one pair here. So only 2 pairs are forming, okay, this one, this one. And how will you write down the answer? In this case, this value is 0, this value is 1. So here to here, okay, x is, in this case 1 is same for both x, so writing x. And now go to here, 0 to 0 means y bar, 0 to 1 it is changing. Which variable is changing? You have to eliminate that variable. 0 to 1, so y bar. Similarly x bar y, x bar y for this is 0, 0, so x bar, and here to here means 1 is same and this 1 to 0 is changing, means x bar y. So you can conclude one pair eliminates one variable, okay. This is again your next example. Now first again in this case there are 3 prime implicant, one pair this, one pair this, and again you can make one pair, okay, this one. But this pair will be not EPI because this one is involved in this group and this one is involved in this pair, or you can say in this group. So only 2 pairs means 2 EPI. You have to remove, this is your redundant group because this is not EPI. This is redundant group, okay, this is extra. So this is again your example. In this case there are 4 ones. Suppose this is the value 1, 3, 5 or 7. There are 4 minterms. Just write down value. Now you can form one quad. This is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this, and this is adjacent to this. So you can make one quad. Okay. You do not need to write down these things. Directly you can write down answer. So directly you can make this, okay, this. And how you will determine the value? From here to here x is changing, and from here to here, okay, y is changing only, so z will be the required answer. So one quad eliminates how many variables? It eliminates 2 variables, okay. One more example. In this case you can make one quad. This is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this, and this is adjacent to this. So you can make one quad and one pair, and one quad and one pair is EPI. This, okay. You can also make these two. There are 2 possibilities. This is adjacent to this, this is adjacent to this. So one quad. You have to remember you can make one quad of corner elements always in case of 3 variable or 4 variable, one pair. So the value, this is z bar because in this x is changing and this is 0 0 and this value is 1 0. So 0 to 0, 0 means z bar, and one pair x and y bar, 0 0. Now 4 variable K-map. In case of 4 variable K-map, there are total 16 cells, okay, from 0 to 15. You have to again remember third row and third column is highest one, okay. This is WXYZ, okay. W is MSB and Z is LSB, WXYZ. Accordingly you can take a b c d, a b here, c d here. Accordingly, so you have to determine this value, okay, means this one. In this case, okay, how will you determine the value? This is value of w, this one. What is the value of, suppose in this square we have to determine the value. What is the value of wx? 1 1, and y bar z is 0 1. So 1 1 0 1 is 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. So 13, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you have to determine this value, how it is coming, this value. In this case, value of wx is 1 0, and this value is 1 0. 1 0 1 0 is nothing, is m10, or you can say 10 min term. Suppose this is your example. There, this is your truth table. This is your min term 1 0 1 2. These, then these two, then these three, and you fill all the min terms in K-map. So in this case, okay, you can make one octet, because this is addition to this to this, then this to this to this to this, and this to this to this, and this to this. You can make one octet, okay. And you can again make one quad, this to this to this, and one more quad, because you know when you eliminate quad, it eliminates two variables. In case of pair, it eliminates only one variable. So you will give the preference to quad, but you have to check whether that quad or octet is EPI or not, okay. So this one octet, this value y bar, w bar, z bar, and this x bar. Why this octet is EPI? Because these two 1 2 3 4 5 6 are unique. These are not involved in any other group. In this case, why it is EPI? Because this one is unique, okay. And why this is EPI? Because in this case this one is unique. So value x z bar, okay. How value are coming? Y bar, octet. In this case only this value 0 to 0 same, and other all value are changing. So 0 to 0 means y bar. Similarly, you can determine w bar, z bar, then x z bar, okay. So one more example. Suppose this is your expression, okay. This is your expression. So just write down the value. Then first is convert into standard SOP. A dash, B dash, C dash, D plus D dash, D plus D dash. Just wait. D plus D dash multiply here A plus A dash, then in this case D plus D dash, then determine the min term, then fill here, okay. Suppose these are the values. When you will convert into standard or canonical SOP, you will get these min terms, okay. Now you can make one quad here, okay, and you can make always corner element. You can form as a quad. You can make one quad, and now this one. Now only one pair is possible, okay. If suppose we assume here is 1, just we take, then we have no option, then we will make one quad, but 1 is not here or not here, so we will make just one pair, okay. This is your final answer. In next class we will discuss 5 variable K map and in POS form. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.